A semi-stationary low-pressure system located just off the south coast of Mozambique today continues to push in moist air over the lowveld, where we're expecting another very cloudy and very wet day. Partly cloudy skies are expected for the rest of the interior, a few isolated thunder showers in places, while along the south and eastern coastline it's going to start off quite cloudy with light rain in places, but those conditions will gradually start clearing from the south during the second half of today. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for extremely hot conditions over the west coast district of the Western Cape. Maximum temperatures may exceed 40 degrees Celsius in some places. A watch has also been issued, this time for the likelihood of heavy rainfall into the lowveld as well as the adjacent escarpment areas. A second watch is for gale force southeasterly winds, which might develop this evening between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas. Chances of rainfall for the rest of today, where there's between a 60 and an 80% chance over the northeastern corner of the country, where we could see heavy falls of rain. Along the east coast, light rain in places, gradually clearing, as I've already mentioned, from the south, and we're expecting isolated thunder showers to develop over parts of the Free State, the Northwest Province, as well as Gauteng. Moving ahead to maximums, where we're expecting it to be cool in places over the southern and eastern high ground of the country. Umbombela at 24, 22 for Bishu, and a pair of 24s along the south coast for George and Port Elizabeth. Very hot over the western interior, above 40 degrees for some parts of the Northern Cape. The coastal conditions for today, where lighter winds affect the west coast, southwesterlies for Alexander Bay and Namaqualand up to 30 kilometers per hour. But as we head further south, the winds also increase up to 45 kilometers per hour this afternoon for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas, and we could see those winds reaching gale force at times into this evening. Swell heights increase as well to 3 meters. Along our southern coastline, we're expecting onshore flow to continue over this area between 25 and 30 kilometers per hour, but once again becoming fresh for Port Elizabeth, those easterly to southeasterlies getting up to 35 kilometers per hour. And along the eastern coastline, we're still expecting an onshore flow for the Wild Coast and East London. Fresh winds coming in from the southwest for Richards Bay. Swell heights across this area averaging at 2 meters, and we're expecting high tide just after 6 o'clock this evening.